How to hide Instagram story from everyone. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to hide your Instagram story from all your followers on Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram like this, now swipe to right to open your story section. So as you can see now, after I open my camera, as you can see in this section, now I'll go ahead now, I'll create a new Instagram story. So you can tap on this section, or you can just go ahead and upload a story from your gallery. So I'll just go ahead and take a picture like this one. Let's say take a picture. So after you take a picture that you want to add to your story, now tap on, as you can see now, tap on this section, this arrow. After you select this arrow, now all you have to do now, tap on this close friends section. So after you tap on this close friends section, as you can see now, I selected these two people as my close friends. So all I have to do now, I'll just go and select them. So I'll go and tap on this search button and search for someone that is popular and you think that that person cannot have time to open your Instagram story, and select one person. So let's say I'll just search like Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano. So as you can see now, I selected this person, Cristiano Ronaldo. As you can see now, everyone knows this person is a popular footballer. I'll just select the person like this. As you can see now, after you select the person like this as your close friends, now you share your story with only him. So later on I'll show you how to remove all of them. So tap on this done button. After you tap on this share button, now tap on this done again. So now I share the story with only this one person. So I'll tap on the story that I shared. Now here is it. After I tap on it, I'll tap on this more at the bottom right side, this three dot. After I tap on this three dot, now I'll tap on this story settings. So in this section, as you can see now, tap on this. As you can see now, here it says hide story from 0 people, and tap on this. As you can see now, close friends. So in this section now, on select the person like this and tap on this done button. So as you can see now, if I tap on this go back, so now I share my story on Instagram, nobody can be able to see it. That's it guys on how to hide your Instagram story from everyone. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.